UMC members, my name is Irene Kim and I'm currently running for the Social Events Director. I can probably say that I can do well with this position because I have experienced social events as a social media team at the last Student Council. And I can definitely say that I am experienced, I'm prepared, and I can have more improvements going on. I loved being a part of experiencing the social events, and I can do my best. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to follow UMC Student Council Instagram. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jin and I'm a student of this UMC High School and I'm running for the Social Events Director at the Student Council. And I'm in art class, so maybe I think I can make more fancy, more beautiful poster or anything to school. So I want you to guys vote me. Thank you and have a good day.
Hi, my name is Jeff. I want to apply for Social Event Director. My politics is to let more people see the positive image of UMC High School through social media, for example, Facebook and Instagram. Furthermore, the positive image of UNC High School will attract more students to enjoy student council. I am a responsible, passionate, hardworking person. I want to learn experience from this position and use it in my future life. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a great day.